Hello students, in this video we will understand the classifier. Machine learning has two submethods called supervised and unsupervised learning. Basically, supervised learning consists of two techniques known as classifier and regression. Now let's see the classifier. A classifier is a type of machine learning model that is used to categorize or classify objects, data, or information into different groups or classes based on their characteristics. It works by learning patterns from a set of labeled examples, training data, and then using those patterns to classify new, unseen data. Example of a classifier. Imagine you are a teacher and you want to classify students into two groups, pass and fail, based on their exam scores. First, you collect training data. You collect past student scores and label them as pass if the score is 40 or above, or fail if the score is below 40. Then, building the classifier. A machine learning model studies this data and identifies patterns. It learns that if the score is 40 or more, the student is likely to pass, otherwise they fail. Testing on new data. If a new student scored 75, the classifier predicts pass. Types of classifiers. Binary classifier classifies into two categories. Multi-class classifier classifies into more than two categories.